Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a 45 and understand it with the speed square, and then we're going to make a cut on the slide saw for tile trim. Okay, and you want to always try to cut it on the backwards of the teeth, on the back side of the teeth. Alright, so we'll do this. Let's check it out. Okay, you see where it says pivot. Okay, and it's pointing right up here to where it's going to hinge and pivot right here. The little dip. Alright, now when I made a mark here, I'm going to make this cut. So I'm going to put that right here on that pencil line, alright? Right there where I want it. Okay, then it's going to pivot from this point, okay? And I'm going to slide it up to my 45. And I'll show you that in just a second. Okay. Alright, we have it in place. Now, let's follow this edge, alright? Following the edge to 45 right here. Now, we got that right where we want it, right there on that angle, right there on that edge. We come back here and we mark. Alright, let me get this right exactly where I want it. It's moved on me, okay. Now, this isn't critical, as long as I have this 45 marked, and I'm doing this for you because I can put this on the saw and I can cut it. But this is to show you how you get, you want to make sure your 45 is right there and doesn't move, okay? Squeeze, pinch it into that point, don't let it move. Okay, now let's come up here. Alright, now we just mark it. Okay, that's too faint. Okay, let's get it right here where we want it, and let's mark. Alright, there's your 45. Now we're going to cut it. Okay, I have a 2x4 I've cut. 245 left and right. Okay, I'm going to use this to hold my trim. Alright, you see where my pencil is? You see that line? It goes to the side of the 45 mark that we're going to cut on. Alright, so let's do it. Let's get it lined up. Okay, it's got to come over. Okay, it's a little not quite enough. Bring it back. Alright, I got that right where I want it, perfectly on that line where it needs to be. Now, I'm going to pull back. Now I'm going to push this up against just the blade, alright, to smooth it. So I'm going to put pressure against this so it's against the blade. Okay, now we know that there we have it. Okay, now nice and straight. Okay. Alright, there you see. Alright, it fits. It's going to fit perfect. There it is. Okay. Perfect. Well, I'm Ken. This is Home Improvement Tips. aka Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, so you see everything up close and personal. So it's a win-win-win. Tell a friend, and as always, never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Save this for future reference. You never know when you might need it. Let me know what you think, and I'd look forward to hearing from you. God bless, and let's pray for this country and the world. Remember, St. John 3:16, 1 Peter 3:9, and 1 John 1:9. Check that out. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Bye for now. God bless.